Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we're going to start exercise 4.6. Let's start with the first question. We need to answer these questions without calculations. Find the product of what algebraic fraction and this expression is 1. What do we need to do here? We need to take this expression and multiply it with any type of algebraic fraction such that our answer will be 1. Now what is our expression? That is x cube plus 7x minus 8. So let's just write it here. X cube plus 7x minus 8. Now, what will I multiply this expression? I'll multiply it with the reciprocal of this expression, which is basically the opposite of this expression. That means we can write 1 over x cube plus 7x minus 8. Now, these both expressions will be cancelled and our resultant will be 1. So, this will be answer for part 1 of question number 1. Now, let's move on to the part 2. Part 2 says which algebraic fraction divided by x square divided by x square plus y square gives 1. So this is the same as the first part. We have x square divided by x square plus y square. What algebraic fraction will we divide this such that our answer will be 1? So if we just write is equal to, and then we take the reciprocal of this expression, which will be the opposite of this, which is x square plus y square divided by x square. So now these both values will get cancelled and so are these. So the resultant is only 1. So this will be our answer for question number 1, part 2. I'll just write it here. Now let's move on to part 3. Sum of what algebraic fraction and these both is 1. Okay, so they are saying sum of what algebraic fraction and this is equal to this. They are basically saying that we have the first expression, which is this. We need to multiply it with some algebraic fraction such that our answer will be m plus 1 divided by m square plus n square. So how can we tackle this problem? So first, let's write this. I'll just write it here. I'll just write part 3 first. And now I'm going to write m over m square plus n square. And this is equal to what? M plus n over m square plus n square. Now, how is this going to be equal to this? What algebraic fraction are we going to multiply? Suppose we are multiplying x with this algebraic fraction and our answer will be this. But we need to find the value of x. So how can we do so? Here we have this. If we basically bring this to the left side, it will be converted to minus. So that means we can write minus m plus n over m square plus n square, and that is equal to this same expression, which is m over m square plus n square. As the denominators are same, they will just remain as the same, and this equal sign will be changed. It will be converted to subtraction because I moved this expression from the right to the left. Okay, now let's just write the denominator as it is, which is m square plus n square. After doing that, we will just have m plus n minus m. So m and m will get cancelled and that leaves us with n over m square plus n square. So this is our answer. We need to multiply our expression, which was this, with this algebraic expression such that our answer becomes m plus n divided by m square plus n square. Now how can we prove this? So the expression that we had was m over m square plus n square. We need to add it with the new algebraic expression which we just found with the same denominator. So both denominators are the same. we will just write them as it is, and m plus n results in m plus n. So as you can see, this is equal to the output. Move on to part 4. What is the product of an algebraic fraction and its reciprocal? They're basically asking if we have an algebraic fraction, let's suppose it is x or any numeral like 7, 5 or whatever, and we need to find its reciprocal. So what will be its answer? Suppose the algebraic fraction that I have is x and I take its reciprocal, so that means 1 over x. So these values of x get cancelled and I only get 1. Same as for any numeral, I take 5 or I take 7. Its reciprocal is 1 over 5 and that results in 1. So this means that if I take any algebraic fraction and take its product of the reciprocal, the resultant will always be 1. So 1 is our answer. Okay everyone, so let's attempt question number 2. Here we need to simplify the following where all the expressions in the denominator are non-zero. For the first expression, we have 14x square minus 7x divided by the denominator multiplied with x square plus 2x divided by the denominator, which is 2x minus 1. Now how can we tackle this question? It's pretty easy. So what was the first numerator? I'll just write the expression as it is. It was 14x square minus 7x divided by 12x cube plus 24x square. And then we took the product. That means we multiplied this expression with what? With x square plus 2x, and then we took the denominator, which was 2x minus 1. Now how to solve this? Look at the first numerator. It is 14x square minus 7x. So what is the common in this? We can take 7x as a common value and we can write 7x bracket 2x minus 1. Let's go to the denominator. What is common in this denominator? It is 12x square. So I can write 12x square bracket x plus 2. After that, what is common in the second numeral and the second denominator? In the first, we have x as a common value, so we can write x bracket x plus 2. And then in the denominator, we don't have any common value, so we can just write 2x minus 1. Okay, after writing this, if you look closely, here we have 2x minus 1 and here we also have 2x minus 1. So they both get cancelled with each other. Same as for x plus 2 and x plus 2. So what is my answer? It is 7x multiplied with x, and 7x is divided by 12x square. But this is not our complete answer. X square and x get cancelled with each other and multiplied by x. So that results in 7 over 12. So our final answer is 7 over 12. Now let's move on to question number 3. In question number 3, we have a square b square plus 3ab divided by 4a square minus 1 multiplied with 2a plus 1 divided by ab plus 3. So we're going to perform the same steps we did in the previous question. So let's write the expression first. We have a square b square plus 3ab divided by the denominator, which is 4a square minus 1. Then we have the product of 2a plus 1 divided by ab plus 3. Now, what is the common between a square b square and 3ab? That is ab. So we can write ab bracket ab plus 3. Then in the numerator, the common value is 2a plus 1 and 2a minus 1. Why? Because 4a square, it can be written as, we can write 4a square as, so the denominator will be simplified to 2a plus 1 and 2a minus 1. Then we have 2a plus 1, so that will just remain the same because there is no common factor here. And then ab plus 3 will also remain the same. Now ab plus 3 will get cancelled and 2a plus 1 will also get cancelled. So we have ab divided by 2a minus 1. And then these both get cancelled. So this will be our final answer, which is ab divided by 2a minus 1. Now let's move on to question number 4. Question number 4, they try to make it hard for us, but it's exactly the same. We're going to deal with two terms first and then we'll move on to the other terms. Here we have a minus b divided by a square plus ab multiplied with a power 4 subtracted from b power 4 and then a power 4, and then we have a square minus 2ab plus b square multiplied with a over a square plus b power 5. So how are we going to tackle this question? Firstly, let's take both of these pairs, these two, and then we'll move on to the last pair, which is this expression. So we will write a minus b over a square plus ab. I'm not simplifying them, I'm just writing them down. And then you will write a power 4 minus b power 4 divided by a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now we need to simplify this. So a minus b, what is the common value between them? That is only a minus b. And then a square plus ab, we can just write a bracket a plus b. After that, that is being multiplied. A power 4 minus b power 4, that will be simplified to a square plus b square. After that, we will write a square minus b square. Now a square minus b square will be further simplified, so we can just write a plus b and a minus b. Okay, after writing that, now we need to write the denominator. The denominator, instead of a square minus 2ab plus b square, we can simply write a minus b whole square. Now I can divide these terms, but I will not do so. We will now write the last expression. Now we are going to write this whole expression simplified as it is, but in the end we are going to multiply with the last term, which is a divided by a square plus b square. Now a simplified is only a square plus b square is also a square plus b square. Now how are we going to tackle this? So a square plus b square here and a square plus b square here, they both get cancelled. A minus b and a minus b get cancelled. A plus b and a plus b get cancelled. And again a minus b get cancelled with this. So what does that leave us? The numerator, and then we have a minus b in the denominator. So that results in 1. Why? Because these both values result in 1. So 1 is our answer for question number 4. Now let's move on to question number 5. Question number 5 states that we have 6x square y square divided by x square minus y square divided by. So first the signs were multiplied, but now we have divide. In case of division, instead of 3xy over x plus y, this will be reversed. So that means we will have x plus y over 3xy. Sorry, the term reversed wasn't correct. I need to use the term flipped. So this expression gets flipped. The denominator becomes the numerator and the numerator becomes the denominator. I hope you guys understand. So let's now solve this question. Here we have 6x square y square divided by x square minus y square divided by 3xy over x plus y. Now first 6x square y square, that will be just written as 6x square y square, and x square minus y square, that results in x plus y and x minus y. After that minus 3xy, that just remains the same, and after that we have x plus y, that also remains the same. Now this division sign will be changed into multiplication. So we have 6x square y square divided by x plus y x minus y multiplied with x plus y and 3x plus y. Okay, now we have 3xy, so these both will be divided. That results in 2xy. X plus y and x plus y get cancelled, divided by x minus y. So this will be our final answer for question number 5. Now let's move on to question number 6. Here we have two terms that are being divided with each other. So we are going to simplify them first, and then we will multiply these in the end with the last expression. Okay, so let's tackle this question. In question number 6, we have 8a cube minus 1 divided by 4a square plus 2a square. Okay, we have 4a cube, not 4a square, and then we have the divided sign 6a square minus 13a plus 5 divided by 15a minus 25. Okay, and then what do we have next? We have the multiplied sign, which is 15a minus 25 over 2a. Okay, I think I made a mistake. 15a, no, that was not here. That was 2a power 4 plus a cube divided by 15a square. Okay, now let's simplify these terms first. A cube minus 1 can be written as 2a minus 1 4a square plus 1 plus 2a. After that, our denominator 4a cube plus 2a square can be written as 2a square bracket 2a plus 1. Then instead of the division sign, we will write multiplication, and after writing multiplication, we will simplify this 6a square minus 13a plus 5. So we can just simply write 6a square 6a square, then we will write minus 3a. Okay, so let me simplify this. That results in 2a minus 1 and 3a minus 5. After that, our denominator, that will be divided, and 15a minus 25 results in 5 bracket 3a minus 5. And after that, the sign will just remain as the same for now. I'll just change it later. Okay, now after that we will just write multiplication at the end, and then we will simplify the last, which is 2a power 4 plus a cube. That results in a cube plus 2a plus 1. So the addition sign gets removed and we have a cube as our common factor, and then we can write 15a square as it is, because there is no common thing in this expression. Now this division sign, because of the division sign, our expression will be flipped. So our numerator will be converted to our denominator, and our denominator will be converted to our numerator. So we can simply write 2a minus 1 bracket 4a square plus 1 plus 2a divided by 2a square bracket 2a plus 1, and then we're going to use the multiplication sign and we're going to flip these. So we can write 5 bracket 3a minus 5, and then we will write 2a minus 1 and 3a minus 5. After that, we will multiply the last expression, which is a cube bracket 2a plus 1 divided by 15a square. Okay, so now some values are going to get cancelled. Like here we have 2a plus 1. so that will be cancelled with 2a plus 1 here. Okay, same as for 2a minus 1, that will get cancelled here. And then we have 3a minus 5, so that will get cancelled here. So in the end, our result will be 4a square plus 1 plus 2a divided by our denominator, which is 2. Because a square would also get cancelled. Here we have a cube and here we have a square, so that get cancelled. So we will have 4a square plus 1 plus 2a divided by 2, and it is being multiplied with a over 3. So this is our final answer for question number 6. Now let's move on to question number 7. Here we have 3 terms just like we had in the previous question, and we're going to multiply these 2 terms first and then simplify it with the last term. And in the last term we have the sign of division, so that will get changed to multiplication and our expression will get flipped. Okay, so let's start by solving the expression. Let's write question number 7 here. So in question number 7 we have x square minus 8x minus 9, and then that is being divided with x square plus 7x plus 72. If you take a glance at these expressions, these both are quadratic expressions, so we will factorize them and get their values. Okay, then it is being multiplied with x square minus 25 and divided again with x square minus 1, and in the end we are using the division sign, and we have x square plus 4x minus 5 divided by x square minus 9x plus 8. Okay, now let's simplify this. So x square minus 8x minus 9, we need to find the factors. So the factors for this quadratic equation is x minus 9x. So if we simplify them, we will get x plus 1 and x minus 9. Same as for the denominator, the factors you get is x minus 9 and x minus 8. Then you multiply x square minus 25. The common between these both is x plus 5 and x minus 5. Why? Because x square minus the square root of 25, which is 5. So we will write x plus 5 and x minus 5. After that, we will divide that with x square minus 1. So x square minus 1 is x plus 1 and x minus 1. And after that, the division sign will just remain as the same. So we will write the simplified version, which is x plus 5 and x minus 1. And in the denominator, what do we get? We get x minus 1 and x minus 8. These were also quadratic equations, so we got the pair of the factors. Okay, now we will change the sign. So the first x plus 1 and x minus 9 will just remain as the same along with the denominator, x minus 9 and x minus 8. Okay, if you look closely, x minus 9 and x minus 9 will get cancelled. So x plus 1 divided by x minus 8 gets remain. After that, x plus 5 and x minus 5 divided by x plus 1 and x minus 1. So here x plus 5 and here x. Okay, so we have x plus 1 and here we have x plus 1, so they both get cancelled with each other. So that leaves us with 1 over x minus 8 multiplied by x plus 5 x minus 5 divided by x minus 1, and then the flip will occur. So we will have x minus 1 and then we will have x minus 8 here divided by x plus 5 and x minus 1. So after dividing all of the values, in the end our answer is x minus 5 and x minus 1. So I will just write x minus 5 divided by x minus 1. So this will be our final answer for question number 7. Now let's move on to question number 8. In question number 8, we have 1 over 2x minus 3y minus x plus y divided by 4x square minus 9y square. Okay, since we have the sign of subtraction here, we will try to make the denominator same on both of the sides. So let's write the expression of question number 8. Okay, so we have 1, so 1 just remains the same. 1 over 2x minus 3y is being subtracted from x plus y over 4x square minus 9y square. 1, the common value will just be 1. 2x minus 3y will also remain the same, but here 4x square minus 9y square, it gets simplified to 2x plus 3y and 2x minus 3y, because the third identity is occurring here, which is a plus b and a minus b. So let's write this in a presentable manner. 1 over 2x minus 3y subtracted from x plus y divided by the simplified version, which is 2x plus 3y and 2x minus 3y. Okay, what do we need to do next? Now we need to make the denominator same. So in order to make the denominator same, we will multiply 2x plus 3y on both sides. So in the first, we will have 2x plus 3y divided by 2x minus 3y and 2x plus 3y, and then minus x plus y. This will just remain the same because the denominator is already 2x plus 3y and 2x minus 3y. So I'll just multiply 2x plus 3y in the first term. Okay, after doing this, as you can see, our denominator is the same, so we will just write it as it is. I'll just write here the denominator, which is 2x minus 3y and 2x plus 3y. Okay, after that we will write here 2x plus 3y minus x plus y. So let's simplify this expression. After simplifying this expression, we get 2x plus 3y minus x plus y. So that results in x plus 2y. But you do not need to forget the denominator, which is 2x minus 3y and 2x plus 3y. So this will be our final answer for question number 8.